this is a shirt. Let's fold. Let's fold this.
Okay.
Okay, I know how to fold shirts. Gotta do that, and then do that, and then do this.
Good job.
And put it in, and then get another shirt.
Well, you don't have to fold it if you're going to wash them.
I would just do that. Yeah, let's not fold them. I maybe bent them. A sock.
Yeah.
Okay, put peanuts.
Pants.
Okay, shove it in there and get these wax. Okay.
Your hair's wild this morning.
And then put this.
Your detergent.
And then put the basket up there.
Did your door shut? There you go.
Let's wash.
That is so cute.
It looks like I'm gonna dry it.
I think the one side is dryer and that side is washer. You see the control? No, the control thing. So the control button?
Yeah.
The control button aimed over here is the washer, and I think over there on the other side is dryer. That's so cute.
It smells good.
It smells good.
Smell it.
I don't want to smell it.
It smells good. I gotta get my smell stuff. Okay, let's fold. I just fold it like this. And then
Fold it over. Cute.
put that down. And then get the other shot. Like boom. And then boom. And then boom. Boom. And then blow up. Do that, and then do this. Put that down, put it right down, and then put it in the pants, and then put it like that, and then get the sock.
You got 2 socks. Cool.
Look at our feet. Make it fit.
Looks like elf socks.
Because it's Halloween.
Huh?
Because it's Elf Day.
Elf Day.
It's Elf Day with socks.
Okay.
Quacky quacky duck.
Okay. We'll get batteries put in your grill after a while and show how that works.
No.